Welcome back. Today's topic is eliminating unit productions. Last lecture we see how to eliminate epsilon productions, and before lecture we completed how to eliminate useless productions. So first let me introduce what I meant by unit production. Okay, generally if there is a production of the form A tends to B, it is the unit production because LHS contains exactly single non-terminal. RHS is also contains exactly single non-terminal. This is the example for unit production. Then our topic is how to eliminate unit productions. Before discussing about how to eliminate unit production, let me write down a procedure how to eliminate unit productions. First step, identify what are the pairs of the unit productions. For example, there is a production of the form A tends to B. This is the one unit production. Okay, then identify is there any non-unit productions for the B. Let's say for example B tends to S1, S2, S3 and so on slash Sn. This S1, S2, S3, S3 are all examples of the non-unit productions. Okay, so what is S1? Closure tends to variable union T whole closure. These are all the non-unit productions. Then you can simply eliminate unit production by replacing B with its non-unit productions. Then you can create a new production like A tends to, just apply the substitution rule. Substitute B productions in this production. Like you can write new production as S1, S2, S3 and so on slash Sn. Then next step is do the same for all pairs of unit productions. Then third step is do this simultaneously. This is the procedure how to eliminate unit productions. Let's consider some examples. The given grammar is S tends to A slash B, B tends to A slash B, A tends to A slash BC slash capital B. First identify what are the unit productions. So first unit production is S tends to B. Second unit production is B tends to A. Third unit production is A tends to B. Okay. Then eliminate one by one unit production according to this procedure. First take this production. A tends to A slash BC slash. Now we are removing B from this. Okay. So how we can remove the B? Add the non-unit productions of B to the A production. So what are the non-unit productions of B to the non-unit productions of the B is double B. So add double B here. Okay. Then next, take this production. Now we are going to remove the B unit production. Okay. B tends to. So first write this non-unit productions B slash. Then so we are removing A from this. So add A non-unit productions. Don't consider A non-unit productions from this point. This point you need to consider. Okay. So what are the non-unit productions? All are the non-unit productions. So A slash BC slash double B. Double B is already there. No need to add again. Okay. Then consider one more unit production. S tends to B. So what is S? So S tends to A. Capital A, so I written same as to J. Then we are going to remove the B from the production. So substitute B non-unit production to the S production. Okay. So what are the B non-unit production? These are all B non-unit productions. Add all these. So B A slash BC. So this is what I will do this simultaneously. So this is the grammar with unit production. This is the grammar without non-unit productions. Okay. Let's consider one more example. The given grammar is S tends to capital A slash double B, A tends to capital B slash B, B tends to S slash A. So first identify unit productions in the given grammar. So S tends to A. Then next A tends to B. Then next B tends to S. Then remove one by one unit productions from the grammar. So first take this one, B tends to S. So how we can write? So B tends to A. So now I am going to remove S from the production because it is unit production. So you add S non-unit productions. What is S non-unit productions? Double B. So double B. Then so take the next production, A tends to B. A tends to B. I am going to remove B from the A production. So add A non-unit productions. What? A tends to B. A tends to B. Then what are the B non-unit productions? We are removing this one. What are the B non-unit productions? Don't consider from this point. We are already processed. B non-unit productions are all this. Okay. Add these B non-unit productions to the A production. So the result is A slash double B. Then take S tends to A. So S tends to, what is S non-unit productions? Double B. Okay. So double B slash, so we are removing A from this production. So add A non-unit productions. What is A non-unit production? Don't consider here. Consider there. What is A non-unit productions? B, A, double B. So B slash A. Double B is already added. Then do this simultaneously again. How it is? How we got it is B tends to S after removing S. Now what is S non-unit productions? BB, B, A. So A is there, BB is there. Then what is missing in this? B is missing. So add B also. This is, remember, this is one important point. Okay. So this is the given grammar with unit productions, and this is the grammar without unit productions. Let's consider one more example. The given grammar is S tends to AX slash YB slash Y. Then X tends to S. Then Y tends to YB slash B. First identify what are the unit productions in the given grammar. First unit production is S tends to Y. Then second unit production is X tends to S. So remove one by one unit productions from the given grammar. First consider S tends to Y. Okay. So what is S? S tends to AX slash YB. Then add Y non-unit productions to the S production. What is Y non? Because we are removing Y from this, so add Y non-unit productions. What is Y non-unit productions? YB slash B. So YB is already there, so add B. Yes. Then next consider this production. X tends to S. So X tends to we are removing S. Okay. So add S non-unit productions. What is S non-unit productions? AX YB slash B. So add all this. AX slash YB slash B. Okay. Then what is the last production? Y tends to YB slash B. So this is the grammar with unit productions. This is the grammar without unit productions. Okay. So this is all about how to eliminate unit productions from the grammar.